This video will discuss 10 best teas for people with diabetes to control their blood sugar levels naturally. Diabetes can be controlled. One needs to follow a restricted diet and do proper exercise. Bringing a change to the day-to-day affairs may also help in keeping the unregulated sugar levels in check. While there are many doctor-advised ways for controlling diabetes, some of the remedies are hidden in our kitchen as well, in the tea counter to be specific. Certain teas may be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes and help promote blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and enhance insulin sensitivity, all of which are essential for diabetes management. We have curated a list of teas that can be consumed every day to lead a healthy lifestyle and bring the sugar level to a normal standard. Before we continue, we want to remind you that you can download our free ebook, How to Control Diabetes. Check out the download link in the description below. Here are the top 10 teas to control blood sugar and diabetes naturally. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea offers a multitude of health benefits, some of which are particularly beneficial for those with diabetes. For example, drinking green tea may help reduce cellular damage, decrease inflammation, and optimize blood sugar control. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. Dried hibiscus flower petals are boiled in water. This contains antioxidants and helps in lowering high blood pressure. The paper studying the effects of sour tea or hibiscus sabdariffa on hypertension in patients with type 2 diabetes stated that consuming the tea had positive effects on blood pressure in type 2 diabetic patients with mild hypertension. Number 3. Black tea. Black tea contains potent plant compounds, including theaflavins and therubigens, which have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and blood sugar-lowering properties. A new study has found that black tea significantly reduces rises in blood glucose levels among both healthy and pre-diabetic adults, in this case after consuming a sugary drink. Number 4. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is a soothing herb that's part of the mint family. It has a bright lemony scent and is popularly enjoyed as an herbal tea. A paper published by the National Library of Science stated that the antioxidant activity of lemon balm helps in reduction of the blood glucose. Regular consumption of lemon balm tea helps in fighting inflammation in the body, which is a common side effect of diabetes. Number 5. Turmeric tea. The list of health benefits provided by a cup of turmeric tea regularly is too long. It prevents inflammation in the body, boosts immunity, controls diabetes, and is good for the heart's health. The paper, Curcumin and Diabetes, a systematic review, stated curcumin or turmeric can decrease the level of glucose in the blood, as well as other diabetes-related complications. Number 6. Cinnamon tea. Many people take concentrated cinnamon supplements to help reduce their blood sugar levels, but studies show that sipping on a cup of cinnamon tea may have benefits as well. Cinnamon tea may help reduce blood sugar levels, including slowing the release of sugar into the bloodstream, enhancing cellular glucose uptake, and promoting insulin sensitivity. Number 7. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been associated with a number of health benefits, including promoting healthy blood sugar regulation. Chamomile tea not only has the potential to optimize blood sugar control, but also may help protect against oxidative stress, an imbalance that can lead to diabetes-related complications. Number 8. Ginseng tea. According to biological activities of ginseng and its application to human health, ginseng has several pharmaceutical benefits. Ginseng has been used for promoting immune function, central nervous system function, relieving stress, and its antioxidant activities. Ginseng tea, best consumed in fresh form, is said to be an antidote to diabetes. Number 9. Sage tea. Regular consumption of sage contributes to blood glucose regulation, lipid profile, and transaminase activity in humans, as per a journal published in the International Journal of Molecular Science. Drinking sage tea every morning can help in bringing down the shot-up sugar levels in the blood. Number 10. Aloe vera tea. This is the elixir that comes with multiple health benefits. As stated in the journal Aloe Vera, an ancient herb for modern dentistry, aloe vera contributes to good health both in its raw form and when boiled. All you need to do is extract the sap and boil it in water and drink it every morning. There is much other herbal tea out there that you can try. Try these teas and let us know what you think about them in the comments below. Last but not least, consult your doctor before adding tea for diabetes to your diet, as a number of plants used in herbal teas can have interactions or negative side effects, depending on your overall health. We hope this video was helpful to you.